What is a board resolution? A BOR or a board resolution is a legal binding document which formalizes all the important elements such as the functions, the task, and all the compliance requirements of that particular company. For example, who is going to be managing the company on a day-to-day basis? Who is going to be dealing with the authorities? Who is in charge of banking, operating, closing bank accounts? Also, does that person have sub-delegation powers? It is very detailed and it helps meet all the compliance requirements. Bear in mind, this must be signed by all the shareholders, must be on the company letterhead, and must have a stamp of the company. If you want to know how to set up a board resolution or how to prepare one, drop me a DM or email me at zebamajitya@gmail.com and I will be happy to assist you.